worry, Mary, I'm coming. Just gotta hook and a hook. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, just a couple more slides. One more to do it. All right, there we are. Yeah, you need me to scrunch my head in like this? Okay, how'd I do?
Oh, okay, Natalie. Okay, Natalie. You think you're ready to get this paw work? Well, then let's get it in there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up now? What's up now? No, don't ball up now. Keep that same energy.
I'm freaking out, man. I don't know.
Stop out of it, Richard. Stop it.
Nah, dude, I don't know, man. I'm freaking the fuck out right now.
Richard,
dude. Control yourself, dude. Chill. It's gonna be okay.
Nah, dude, it's not gonna be okay. Richard, relax.
It's gonna be okay. It's not gonna be. Bro, let me get it, bro. It's my nugget. I already called it. Get out of here, dude.
Miss,
It's my nugget. Stop. I already said
Fuck
I wanted
you,
the
bro.
nugget. I'm taking that last
No,
nugget.
you're not.
No,
Get the fuck out of here.
Fuck it. Stop it, bro. Seriously, I already called it.
Fuck you.
Don't push my face. I said it's mine.
Dick.
Nah, fuck it.
Move,
I'm taking
you
that
big dumb
nugget.
bitch.
Whoa, dude, chill.
Too far.
Way too
Rude.
far. One more time, dude. Okay.
That was so much fucking fun.
Well, hello there, Jeffrey. I hope I didn't keep your bitch ass waiting. Fuck you, Theodore. Shall we? We shall. Fuck it! So now that we settled that, I'm gonna go ahead and fuck Katrina. That's fine. Tell her Jeffrey said hey. Don't I look lit as hell?
Whoa, Ryan.
Carter,
let me
back
see
off,
those,
dude. I'm trying to get a picture.
Sick,
Move.
Bro. Dude, let me
Carter,
try
move,
those on,
dude. I'm getting a
please,
picture
Ryan.
right now, dude.
Please?
Seriously, move.
Wow, dude,
Stop.
you're being a dick.
No,
Seriously.
I'm not.
Also, please.